All right, today we're going to be talking about a little thing called Vertex Form and dealing with quadratics, and we're going to be doing it playing a little Super Mario Quadratics. You'll see Mario right here. He's right here. He's getting ready to run. Hit run. He runs and he jumps, but he doesn't quite get to the coin. So how can we get to this coin? So what we're going to do is I'm going to write down what Vertex Form is for you all. Let's see here. Here we go. Y equals A parentheses x minus h close parentheses, and I'd like to put a squared. So I'll just add in a squared afterwards. Oh, plus k. All right. So right here, what I'd like to do is like put a 2 right there, a squared. All right. So there's your vertex form right there. A parentheses x minus h squared plus k. Just remember, your vertex is always your h and your k value. All right. So just make sure if you're taking notes, if you're working in a journal, whatever, just put your vertex is always h, comma k. So if we were to look at this right now, I'm just going to go right here. We actually want our vertex to be right there where that coin is. And it looks like that's at a 10 and a 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put y equals. I'm going to make the a value negative because if the a value is negative, it opens downward. So it's already negative 1. I'm going to put x minus 10 squared, but except all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put plus a 6. So I'm going to adjust this from a 1 to a 6, and the parabola should go up and hit that and come back down. So let's see if that works. So hit reset, go over here, type in a 6. You can see how the parabola reaches its highest point called the maximum. Now, Mario should get the coin. All right, let's get some more coins. Ooh, I got to make this a little bit wider. So what controls the width? The A value, okay, the A value controls the width, which is this. So I'm going to change it. You'll look what happens when I change it to a 2, to a 3, to a 4, to a 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it gets more narrow? So I got to make it like a fraction, say, for example, 1 divided by 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, or 7. But you can see the best one is probably 1/2, and that allows me to widen it up so I can get all those coins. There we go. Let's get some more coins. Now it looks like I need to shift it over here. So if I'm right here, this is where I am, okay? And I want to go right here. Well, I need to take a look where that is. Let's see, that's over at looks about a 7. So I'm going to hit reset. Let's change this number on the inside. So instead of a 10, look what happens if I go to 9. Oh, not 19. 9, and then 8, and then 7. That's perfect, right? If I go too far, see how I'm shifting it? Okay. There we go. So that's where I want to be. All right. So just remember, you're just trying to work with your H and your K value. All right. Ooh, well done. Move to the next screen. Let's do it. Uh-oh. Mario right now, if I hit run. Whoa! Looks like he went and saw Jesus. All right. So we need to get him going across the lava. Across. What? Well done? Oh, that's crazy. I don't want to move to the next screen. That feels like I'm cheating if I just throw him up into the air and he gets across. That's just mean. So here we go. Let's make this negative. Okay. Let's go ahead and make it a 1 divided by 2 just to start out. Okay. Now the vertex right here looks to be at a 10 and a 10. So I'm going to make this a 10, make this a 10. But you'll notice that I need to widen the graph because it's a little too narrow. So I need to make this a little bit wider. So watch as I make this wider. Get closer, 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 closer. I think that'll work right there. Hopefully you saw how the graph widened as this number got closer and closer and closer to 0. All right. Well done. Next screen. All right. Sweet. Ooh, interesting. Now this is in factored form. So if I wanted to change my 0, see how this is at a 4 and a 7? Let's say if I wanted to make this an 8. I just change it to an 8. Now it's at an 8. What if I wanted to change this to, I don't know, a 9? Ooh, that's pretty good. So right now it looks like he's going to hit this coin, and that star. Now if I want to adjust this one, this parabola is dealing with this quadratic number 2. So let's say I want to move it over here to 10. So see where it says 11 right here? I'm just going to make it a 10. That changes my 0. Um, let's make it a 9. Oh, look at there. That worked. So it looks like he's going to jump up, hit that coin, hit that star, hit that coin, hit that coin right there. So this is called factored form. So this will be the last one I do because otherwise you guys aren't going to have any fun. You're just going to watch me do it. So right here, in factored form, it gives us our zeros. So our zeros are at a 4 and a 9 and a 9 and a 14. So as a solution set, we would say the zeros were at a 4 and a 9, and here we'd say they're at a 9 and a 14. So factored form sometimes is written like this, where m and n are solutions wherever the parabola hits the x-axis. So you can kind of see where they are right here. There's the -4, there's the -9, there's the 14. So that's how you can manipulate factored form. I'll spell it for you. There we go. So that's what you're going to be doing on this particular assignment. Is just having fun, trying to jump and get those coins. All right, and stars. Wow. Such a fun game. All right, move on to the next read. Ooh, so right now it looks like you got to build 2 parabolas. So now you got to you could do factored form. My suggestion is definitely use vertex form. So here's what I would do. Here's my vertex, which is at a 6 and an 8. So I'm going to go and start my equation. Ready? Y equals. I'll put negative. Start with a -1, and put 6, and then I got to make it squared. So I got to make that little squared button. Put +8. Okay. So you see how I need to make it a little bit wider. So let's make it a little bit wider. I'm making it a fraction. So let's put a divided by 2. A little bit more. 3. So I'll stop here. So this is your first. This could be a good first equation, but then you got to make another equation that hits this point, which is more or less at an 11. Yeah, 11 and an 8. So wait, sorry, 11 and a 9 right there. So your vertex looks like it's at 11 and 9. But I don't want to give all of them away. Just have fun playing it, okay? Oh, by the way, if you're wondering where it is, just gotta you go to Desmos and look for Super Mario Quadratics. If you're in my class, there's a certain code you need to get receive credit. So you can email me and I'll give you the code. Have a good day. Bye.